Welcome back to Natural Earth Living. If you're looking for a healthy way to keep your home smelling amazing without toxic sprays or fake candles, here are 4 natural air fresheners you can start using today. My go-to is a simmer pot. Just fill a saucepan with water. Add citrus peels, herbs like rosemary or thyme, and a cinnamon stick. Let it simmer and your home will smell like a cozy herbal spa. Next, baking soda jars. Add a few tablespoons of baking soda and 10 to 15 drops of your favorite essential oil to a small jar. Cover with breathable fabric or a lid with holes. Place one in the bathroom, closet, or fridge. Want something pretty? Make your own reed diffuser using a glass jar, carrier oil like almond or safflower, and essential oils. Add reed sticks or even bamboo skewers and let the scent slowly fill the room. Or keep it rustic with bundles of dried lavender, sage, or mint. Hang them in the bathroom or tuck them into drawers for a subtle, fresh scent that lasts weeks. These are my favorite ways to freshen the air naturally. No candles, no chemicals, just the power of plants. If you like this, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to Natural Earth Living and drop a comment with your favorite natural scent.